Welcome to Chakra Yoga with affirmations. The chakra we're going to focus on today is the seventh chakra, our crown chakra. This is where the divine light, the energy, our spirit is connected. In this practice, we're going to stay in a seated position. If you wish and desire to start with an essential oil, as I do, which I absolutely love to do, please do. My oil that I'm choosing today is frankincense, and I'm just going to massage a little bit into the crown area where my seventh chakra is. I suggest that this meditation be practiced in an upright position. So if you're able to do it either in a seated position on the ground with maybe a blanket or a block or something to elevate you if you need to so that the knees relax open, or if you wish to do it in a chair, whatever position your intuition calls you to do so that the spine is straight. Gently take the hands, rest them, palms facing up on your knees, and allow your hands just to stay open, closing your eyes and allowing yourself to come into connection with your breath. Taking a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Allowing your body to relax. Allowing your body to relax into the breath. Starting the meditation, I welcome you to use this affirmation if it resonates with you. I am connected with the divine. I am connected with the divine. If that resonates with you, repeat it silently to yourself, allowing yourself to relax into the body, allowing the body, the mind, and the spirit to connect. Going silently within. Gently bring the hands together in prayer pose. Bow your head to your heart center, honoring yourself for taking time to practice today, honoring yourself for taking time to connect with your seventh chakra, the crown chakra, trusting and believing that the divine connection between you and your divine, your higher self, is there all the time. Wishing you peace, light, love, and joy with divine guidance today and always. Satnam.